All right, we got this speaker right here. This will work on iPhones, Androids, it doesn't matter. You can't hear nothing. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick with this little needle. And all you're gonna do is scrape that. Can you zoom in there so they can see all the stuff coming off there? There's a little mesh screen there, and if you clean that off, you'll be able to hear. So we're cleaning off all the gunk, earwax, spilled Coca-Cola, whatever you wanna call it. And then test it out, and if you still can't hear, give it some little pokes. The ear speaker is only in one little section right there. So if you can get that to come back alive and little holes in there, you'll be able to hear. Test this out, and if this works, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Try to zoom in as good as I can here for you guys. Look at the gunk that came off there, okay? And I poked it around, poked the little thing around. I just tested it. This thing works like new. It's amazing. And a lot of people don't know this. So as long as your speaker is very quiet and you can still hear it somewhat, this is probably gonna work for you about 90% of the time, okay? So there's a little mesh screen there. You just need to clean that sucker off. And that's why I use like a little sewing needle. And if this video helped you out, please give me that thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you think you need something to say, and have a good day. Go fix your phone.